Now, welcome to the List Passive Income. We are here to teach you on how you can make money online. The easiest way to make money online with your smartphone. Now, on this video, I'm here to teach you on how you can refer someone in Primeshare. That is, for you to earn money in Primeshare, you have to learn how to refer someone in Primeshare. And if you are new here, please subscribe and follow this page for more content like this, please. Now let's go into the business. Let's show you on how to refer someone. Now, for those that are asking me, how can I refer someone in Primeshare? For you to refer someone in Primeshare, first of all, you have to log into your account. Make sure that you have account in Primeshare. When you log into your account, you have to copy the link. Now let me log into my account and show you step by step on how you can refer someone. Now let me log into my account first. Let me log into my account. When you log into your account like this, you have to move down and locate where it says marketing. Yes. When you locate this thing where it says marketing, you can see. Let me copy it for you. You can see it. When you locate here, how you have to do is copy the link, because this link is your referral link, and this link is what you will use to register someone. Without this link, you cannot register anybody. You can see it. This is my own referral link. If you log into your account, you see your own referral link like this, and it will not end like you can see at the end of it. You can see my name. If you look into your own, you will see at the end of it, you will see your name also. Now, when you copy the link like this, you can see the link has been copied. When you copy the link, then you have to go and send that person that link. When the person click on the link, the person will register itself. Now, let me show to you on how you can get coupon, because without the coupon, after you send the link, it cannot register itself. You have to send the coupon to him or her, but the person will pay 4,000 before you send the coupon. That is, when the person give you the 4,000, you use that 4,000 to buy the coupon code for the coupon vendors from this Primeshare. Now let me show you where to get the coupon vendors. For you to get the coupon vendors, you have to log out from your account. Let's log out your account from my account now. When you log out from your account, click here. It says Primeshare skills. Click here like this. When you click on this one, this Primeshare skills, let me click on it. When you click on it like this, it will open their front page. When it's open their front page, click here. Then you have to click here. Let me use another arrow. Have to click here. When it click on this three dot line, when it click on it, it will open. Now let me shrink this my video. When it open like this, it will open. It will open like this. Now see where it says how it works. Primeshare insensitive, top sellers, coupon vendors, coupon checkers, and ebooks. Now the one that we are going to use is coupon vendors. That is those that are selling coupons. When you click on these coupon vendors like this, when you click on adverts, you have to close these adverts. Sorry for the adverts. Close it. Get back. When you click on these coupon vendors, you can see the coupon vendors. When you click on it, click on coupon vendors advert. This coupon advert back. When you click on this coupon vendors, it will open. Let me close this advert so that people are going to be seeing what I'm showing you. You can see the coupon vendors like this. These are the coupon vendors. These are the coupon vendors. These people here are the coupon vendors. I am one of them. These are the coupon vendors. That is where you want to buy coupon vendors. Let me use this Danny as an example. This is my friend. Let me use it as an example. When you click on Danny's page, when you click on Danny, it will move you to Danny's WhatsApp number. Let's click on it. Yes, it will move you to Danny's WhatsApp number. Let me zoom in so that you will see what I'm showing you. It will move you to Danny's WhatsApp number. You can see it. When you click on continue chat, let's click on this continue chat and see where it will lead us. Click on this continue chat. Let me use this my WhatsApp. Let's open. Now it's opening Danny's page, which is WhatsApp account. It opens, you can see where I have buy coupon vendor from Danny before. When it opens Danny's page, you will ask Danny that you want to buy coupon, like for him to send account number. Make sure make sure you ask for it before you send someone money. Like if you want to buy the coupon from Danny, you have to ask Danny his account number. Then when Danny gives you his account number, you will pay the 4,000 naira. Danny will send the coupon code for you. Then you send it to the person that you want to register, or if you want to register yourself, or you send it to the person you want to register, and that person will register with that coupon code. And if you want to learn on how you will promote ebook, I will leave the link in the description so that you go and watch that video on how you can promote ebook on Primeshare. And for you to able to learn how to promote ebooks on Primeshare, you will earn a lot of money, because one ebook that you promote on Primeshare will pay you $7 to $17. You can see it's very easy, and you earn a lot of money in Primeshare. Now click the link in the description on how you can promote book on Primeshare so that you will learn how to do that, and it's very easy. And if you are new here, you want to register, I will leave the link on how to register. When you click the link on how to register in Primeshare, you will register yourself and you will get $5 immediately because of you click the link on the description below. Now, thank you, welcome, and please like and follow this page for more content like this.